So on this one we will, let's agree to get rid of C. So we're going to try and cancel C. It could be a B because you've got the 1B here. A you probably want to avoid because they're not all compatible with each other. But you know, a -3 and a 6, a C by itself. So let's do the first equation, 1 and 2. We're going to have to multiply equation 1 by 2. Turn that into a -6, so it'll cancel with the +6. So I'll distribute that, -6A minus 2b minus 6c equals -16, and as is -5a 3b plus 6c equals -4. Combine those together. The c's go away, and that's supposed to happen. That's what we wanted to do. But this is -11a plus 1b equals -20. Nothing reduces, so I'm going to officially call that equation 4. So now we haven't used the third equation yet, and that one conveniently has a c here. So if I then want to use that one and maybe the top one, if that was a 3c, that would go away from there. So I'm going to distribute the 3, -18a minus 12b plus 3c equals -60. And take that top equation, write it right down underneath it here. -3a minus 1b minus 3c equals -8. When I combine them, good things happen, but also some awkward things here. We've got a -21a minus 13b equals -68. Now those are some big numbers. Nothing we can't handle. However, what we want to do is be able to combine these two equations together in such a way that we can eliminate a variable. Whether it's 11a, 21a, those are going to be a piece of work. But 1 and 13 is probably the better way to go. That just means I'm going to have to multiply this equation by 13, because that's going to give me a +13b, which will cancel with our -13b here. So what is 11 times 13, you might ask? Well, that's 143, and it's a -143a. Plus 13b as I distribute, and if I multiply that, that's going to be -260. Okay, so we're going to then take that information, combine it with this, so that at least the 13's cancel. So just to be clear and make sure we're good here, I got a -143a, 13b, -260, and right down underneath I've got a -21a minus 13b is -68. Okay, these cancel. This just gets uglier. -164a equals -328. That's only ugly for a moment. So when you divide by -164, you find that a equals 2. No big thing. Take that, and I would say go all the way over to here and plug it into that equation right there, because to solve for b, it's pretty basic there. So you got a -11 times 2 plus b equals -20. Well, that's -22. So if I add 22 to both sides, look at this, I get b equals 2. b is 2. a is 2. To find c, I'd go back maybe to that equation right yonder and say, let's plug it all in. -6 times 2 minus 4 times 2 plus c equals -20. -12 minus 8 plus c equals 20. Well, -12 minus 8 is -20. So c then would have to be 0. So if we're doing it in order, we got a 2, 2, 0. That would be x, y, and z. You could also just say a equals 2, b equals 2, and c equals 0.